Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I want to show you a great new resource for free videos and free audio files that you can use in your projects. This resource is called Mixkit. You'll find it at mixkit.co. And as you can see, it offers free video and free music. Let's go ahead and look for some free video. Just hit stock video. And you can scroll through the galleries, you can click on the various tags here, or you can do a search directly. Maybe I want to see if there's a video of anyone kayaking or canoeing, so I'll just type in kayak and see what comes up. And so we have a man in a kayak on the sea. Now I can click on that and watch the whole thing. We see it's 11 seconds. These videos are all great for B-roll footage. There's no audio in these videos. Now, if I want to download it, you can see right there, you can download it and use this stock video clip completely free of charge. You can go and look at the license details if you like. Hit that download free video button. And now it's downloaded right to my computer. I can drag it to my desktop if I want to, or put it anywhere else that I want to use it. Now for audio, let's go back to the Mixkit homepage and hit stock music. And again, we can browse through, listen to the music, or we can go and search by genre, or search by mood, or search by tag, or type in a search. They have nothing for dogs, right? But like anything about tuba music? Nope, no tuba. But we do have drum and bass. Let's check that out. And we can listen to that music clip. If I like it, again, hit that download button, and it's now saved it as an MP3 right on my computer. Now, if you're a teacher worried about your students going to Mixkit and wasting time browsing through all the audio and all of the video, you might want to go ahead and download a selection of items yourself in advance and put them in a Google Drive or in a OneNote folder or something like that, where your students can then go through that pre-selected gallery that you've made out of items you found on Mixkit.co. As always, for more tips and tricks and resources like this, please check out practicaledtech.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.